What's up guys, welcome back to today's video. We are going to be working on the Integra some more.
So as you guys seen in the last video, it wasn't really wanting to run correctly, so I ended up pulling the injectors off. As you see here, these are the injectors and the fuel rail. The fuel rail is a little on the messed up side. As you see, it is just chilling at 80. So that's the reason why I was pegging that far. It's probably reading correctly, it's just the gauge is messed up. So I will just need to get a new one of those, which that gets rid of, you know, the thought of it being, you know, it having too much fuel pressure or being backed up because of fuel pressure regulator or anything like that. So basically, I want to get new injectors today. So hold on, y'all seem a little. You good? All right. I do want to get some new injectors today. I'm going to run to the junkyard to see if I can find some.
And find me some like OBD1 injectors, and then just get the clips as well.
I do want to mess around with the cables a little bit today too.
At this point, we're playing Where's Waldo with the reverse with this car, bro. Like every single time. Like it has first, so I mean I'm good with first, but damn, bro, where's the reverse at, man? So we're gonna figure it out. We're going to actually be running to the junkyard right now. I'm gonna be taking the good old purple mobile again. You got a bag all packed up with some waters and some tools and stuff. So let's go ahead and get on into it. This should be pretty simple. So we found first off is going to be an EG coupe. Actually this thing has a pretty straight body on this side. Damn, this is a straight body freaking EG coupe. That is so sad. I still want another EG coupe till this day. Damn, this thing's clean. I know damn well this thing will no longer be here next time I come. Yeah, this thing definitely won't be here. Damn, this thing is clean. To us Honda guys, this wouldn't even be necessary. I mean, like to other car people, they'll be like, no, it's not clean. It's actually really messed up. But to us Honda guys, we're just like, hey, if it's got a straight body, it's clean. Damn, bro. That's a clean front bumper too. I mean, it's cut. The grill's cut, but that is a shitty. I'm not going to talk too much crap because it might be someone's car that knows us, but that is a shitty lip choice. Oh man, that's funny as hell. All right, so came for injectors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull these ones and probably just take the harness with it too, just the clips. 10 millimeter. Alrighty, so we got one set of injectors. These ones are pretty dirty on the outside. We're gonna run with these ones for now. We're going to walk down this aisle real quick, make sure there's nothing else. The next aisle is going to be aisle 44. Right now we're on aisle 37. So ended up meeting another Honda guy here, and then you know, exchanging Instagrams and stuff like that. And then he actually already knew who we were. Well, Deadbeat Garage was. You know, it's always pretty cool running into people that, you know, heard of us and support us. So I only got listings for 92 to 95 Honda Civics, so that will be EGs. So we're gonna only find basically EGs right now. Oh, found it. Damn, bro. Okay, the head is completely off of this one. Injectors are gone. Okay, 51. Injector 51. Double check there's no more on this aisle. Whoa, DC Integra. Lucky Cat Car Club. There we go. Man, surprisingly, there's a lot more Hondas in here than I would think. You know what I'm saying? Like a lot more of the ones, I guess they're pretty common. I mean, EKs are extremely common to find. DCs, I guess you can say are common, but like more recently they become a lot less common.
Okay, so we're gonna look for this one last aisle, and then I'll probably go back up there and see if they possibly have Prelude. I don't think that they do, because I came here before when I was looking for a Prelude for the parts and stuff for my car. You gotta go to aisle 51.
Actually, when you're like this kid with you and your dad.
Yeah. It's been a long time since then, man.
You guys, your whole windshield situation. You know?
Yeah. I remember that. That was a while ago, bro. He still blames that on me, bro.
I bet. Your Colorado's nice though, bro. I've seen all the shit you do in Colorado, man. It's nice.
Hell yeah, man. I appreciate it. It's stock.
yeah. I seen that, you know.
Yeah, that's what I tell people.
Nah, no, that's what I tell everyone, man. You have a good day, bro.
Yeah, you as well, man. It was nice meeting you, bro. All right, found another EG. This one has OBD1 injectors as well, so we're gonna pull these injectors out. These ones I think are going to be better than the ones from the other car. So if they are, then I'll just leave these ones behind. I don't really like this style of the clips here. These ones have the actual ones you could unplug manually yourself without having to pull a little metal clip out of. All right, so we got everything that we needed. Now we're just gonna go ahead and head up to the front, pay, and then get up out of here. I don't think I need anything else while I'm here. Honestly, I would like to know if they have Colorados. So I might ask them if they have a Colorado. So we ended up getting all the injectors we needed, and as you see, shut up. As you see, this plug is the ones from these injectors, which are the ones that I liked more because they have the better plug. But so the overall thickness of them is different, but the actual like length, like from like where it actually seats up against the intake manifold and where it goes into the fuel rail, they are the same. So it's going to be a breeze. Basically, it's going to be like plug and play. And then plus the clip itself is the exact same from the ones from my car, so we're not gonna have to do anything special. We're just gonna go ahead and slap these ones in, well, clean them up and then slap these ones in. I'm excited to go home now. I need to stop and give me something to drink though, because I don't really got nothing to drink at the house other than water, and y'all know how water is. Sometimes water's good, but at the same time, like sometimes like water is like not good, you know what I mean? I think I'm just blabbering. Whatever, guys, I'll see y'all at home. Alrighty, we made it home. We got all the injectors. So we're gonna go ahead and I already have my mindset on which ones I'm gonna use. So the other ones I kind of just got for backup. You know, it doesn't really hurt to have some extra ones on the shelf. But we're gonna go ahead and get these things cleaned up. I think I'm gonna switch the camera right now so you guys have a little bit better quality. So let me just do that real quick. All right, there you go. So now we're gonna go ahead and get into cleaning these injectors. Let's go ahead and separate these ones. So these are gonna be the ones that we're gonna use. Basically, we just gotta pull the little filter tips out of each one of them. As you see here. Basically, each one of them has like a little tip on the top that you just have to pull out. We're gonna clean them individually. And then as well as the ends have O-rings. So we got the injectors all clean. As you see, this is the aftermath of cleaning them, and a bunch of like little grimy stuff came off of them. I'm gonna lube these things up and get them ready to go on the car.
Went in that time. You made sure all your wheels are tight, right?
So I put them on.
Well, he's got this thing running and driving. He swapped out the injectors and he's been back and forth with a friend of his doing like some remote like base mapping.
Ain't got no power.
Ain't got no power?
No.
Like battery or? Right when we come out here, it's like fucking rush hour traffic in the neighborhood.
In the neighborhood for real.
Yeah, it's got a misfire for
It does sound like it has a misfire.
sure. Oh, it does. Whenever you're... That's a misfire.
For real?
Yeah, it might just be plugs. Like, you probably get away, just put some new plugs in here or something. It might be just like gummed up or...
Yeah.
God, did you lower the front?
No, I couldn't.
That's a misfire for sure.
That's the sluggish part that I'm talking about. It definitely doesn't crack VTEC though.
Oh, you don't have a speed sensor, that's why. You're not gonna get VTEC without a speed sensor. I wish I was recording, but what the hell just happened, bro?
From the issue of the car, I think.
Yeah, so we think we know why this thing is misfiring and why the
Well, it's not. There's not much pressure in there now. It's all came out.
dude, he just pulled the... But isn't there a spark plug in there?
Bro, it's bubbling though, for sure.
You have a flashlight?
My phone. There's a spark plug in there.
It must be getting around the spark plug.
That's not fuel.
No, it's coolant.
How the hell is it cooling in there?
Head gasket.
Exactly.
It's got, I mean, it's the only thing it could be. So he was just taking the bolt out that holds the coil pack down, and when he got the coil pack out, it sprung up. Like it shot up, and all that coolant, that nasty coolant that you see on the valve cover, that all came out with it. Like, that was wild, bro. I ain't never seen nothing like that. The only thing I could think is if you have a head gasket issue, you're getting coolant inside of that cylinder, and your spark plug also is not completely tight.
Unless the head is warped enough to where like it backed out the spark plug or something.
Either like that spark plug cannot be tight for it to begin past it. I don't know, dude. I ain't never seen nothing like that.
I know, bro.
It looks to me like we're gonna be pulling ahead. I don't understand, bro. Like, this thing was running fine when we stopped driving it or doing anything with it.
And it hasn't ran good in a long time. Let me know. There's no problems with it. Trade me for a K-swap.
K-swap? You really gonna go to gay swap, huh?
No. Honestly, I would.
If you were to put something else in here, bro, I would just put a freaking
B series.
Yeah.
Honestly, I wish I could find.
Even if it was just an LS or a B20, like.
Well, I'd be happy if I just find everything to turn this thing back to a daily driver, like a donor car that I could take everything from.
Yeah.
Just refresh it all up and put it in here.
Yeah.
Cause I could have AC and all that kind of stuff.
Dun dun dun. It is the next day. That is it's too bad about the Integra, really is, but at least now we know. Dude, for the longest time we haven't been able to figure out like why that damn car is running like shit, and at least now we know what it is, you know what I'm saying? Get chopping with your own cam! And it's not just a cam, it's an entire kit. Everything that you need to put inside of anything that you've got with an LS. Just grab yourself some merch at the website. All of the information will be on the website in the link below.